Hello friends, let's have a closer look on the speed change. Let's have a look at that clip here.
Everything.
We go to the clip and then in the video panel you see here the speed change. It looks a little bit weird because it looks deactivated. Makes some sense because actually it's always active. You always have a certain speed in your clip, so it wouldn't make sense to have the possibility to deactivate that. From that standpoint, it makes totally sense that it looks that way. What you can do here, you can reverse the clip with one click.
A friend of mine has.
And what you also can do freeze frames. If you click here, for example, from that point on, you click on the snowflake and you will have a freeze frame from that point on. It's not very strategical, the best choice to do it this way, because I can imagine that you want to have a freeze frame here, but you want the sound to remain playing. So what you do in that case, you right click on the clip, unlink them, click somewhere outside of the clip, and then click just on the video so that the sound is not selected. And from that point, you make a freeze frame. And then when you play now, you will see that
a friend of mine has.
There is that freeze frame, but the sound remains. So I hope this helps in some way and lets you experiment with the speed change property. Have fun with it and have a great day. Goodbye.